Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe. Lisa is behind the camera
today.
So I'm going to be making Solomon Gundy, otherwise called Solomon Gundy. Well, it's a pate made using red herrings that I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And in fact, today I'm going to dedicate today's Vlogmas Day 11 to Colorsmith TV
and the crew. Yeah.
Yes, the rest of the guys big up. And in fact, I'm giving you a challenge, colors. We know you have that purple blender. I know it's not working so good, but
its last leg.
Here that you order the, is it Ninja?
Yeah.
Alright. So challenging you to make some Solomon Gundy. You can eat it with bread, crackers,
bulla,
fruit.
anything
you
you
can
want
make a rundown with it afterwards, you decide. So Colorsmith TV, that's our subscriber for the day, and the crew as well. And we're giving you that challenge. Now for the popcorn of the day. Oops, I should have looked before. Where's day 11? There you go.
Right.
Popcorn of the day for Vlogmas Day 11 is pecan pie.
Pecan pie.
Pecan pie, we know what this tastes like. Did we like it? Oops. Sticky gooey, but yeah. Good.
That's all right.
And the candle of the day as well. We want you to pause and reflect on those who are not able to be with you this Christmas. I'll show you what we need to make the Solomon Gundy. The first ingredient, red herrings, smoked dried red herrings. You'll need a little bit of sugar. I'll put the exact amounts in the description box. You'll need some vinegar, a little bit of oil, 2 onions, I'm using a red and a white. Scotch bonnet, I'm using 1, but you could also use 2, or you could use half depending on how spicy you like it. You'll need some thyme, dried thyme, not the tough bits, not the stem, just the leaves. And also a few grains of pimento, also called allspice. The first job that I need to get done is to get these soaked, washed, peel the skin off and all that. So I'm going to boil it a little bit to get rid of some of the salt and also to get rid of the head and bones and skin and so on. So when you come back, you'll see the process. Stay tuned. So I boiled the red herrings for about 5 minutes to get rid of most of the salt. And right now I've cooled it a bit in just some cold water. And right now I'm trying to remove as much of the skin and bones as possible to get just the flesh off. I'm sure I'll end up with some bones, but that's fine. It's all going to be blended. By the way, don't be shocked when you boil the red herrings. It will shrink. So you might think somebody has stolen some of it. No, it shrinks quite a bit. The next process after this is to blend or puree the onions and hot chili pepper and also the the thyme. So that's next, and then I'll show you the next process. So that's what my red herrings look like now. If you see some bones, your eyes are fooling you. There are no bones. Go down. I'm joking, there are bones. I'm still going to try to remove some, and I'm also going to flake it up a little bit finer. Okay, over here, 2 pans on, but I'm only using 1. This one has my Christmas blending, so every now and again I boil it again to get that nice smell flowing through the house. Right, for this one, on a really low flame, I'm going to add my vinegar, sugar, and pimento. So that's vinegar in, and I don't want it boiling, I just want it on a really low simmer. Pimento in, and now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. So the pimento flavor is going to infuse, and I just want the grains of sugar to dissolve, and then I'll remove the pimento before adding the red herrings to this mixture. Over here I've got the onions, red onion, white onion, and scotch bonnet, and I'm going to puree those with the oil and thyme. So I've gone ahead and removed the pimento seed. So this is what's left of the vinegar, and it's nicely infused with the sugar and pimento. So now the onions and scotch bonnet have also been blended, and I'm going to now add the red herring, the star of the show. Oh, I had in mind, guys, a big jar to put my Solomon Gundy in. But look at this small amount I have. Maybe you should have put the heads. Oh no! Solomon Gundy head. And the aim. Sorry to put in the liquid in. Oh, sorry, I forgot the liquid. Don't put all of it. No, I'm just adding a bit. Yeah. I like this little handheld, this little blender for small jobs. Yeah. I think you need to pull it and mix the top in. Oops, I don't want this. I don't want the blade to get dislodged. I wish I had more red herring. So guys, we have added a little bit of browning and a little oil because the color didn't look right. You know, Solomon Gundy is usually dark brown, right? And there goes my jar of Solomon Gundy. So I've been invited to try. So let's. You know which crackers we should have though? Jamaican tough crackers, Excelsior original. Yeah. Okay, that's a lot, and usually I don't like too spicy. And if I'm feeling this is going to be too spicy, yeah, that's a lot of honestly too. I'm going to sandwich it. I don't like. Okay, guys, do you like Solomon Gundy? Why? First bite. Tastes like it. Going in for it. I think it would be smoother if you bought it in a jar. Blended smoother. Okay. But the flavor is all there. Spice? Could be a little less. Wow. Spicy. And I only use one scotch bonnet. So if you like spicy, do 1 or 2. If you don't like it so spicy, use half or remove the seeds. Thanks guys for watching day 11 of Vlogmas of us making Solomon Gundy, and big up to Colors Smith TV and the Generals. Take care until next time. Merry Christmas once again.